How to make a playlist on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make a playlist on TikTok. Now, if you open up the TikTok app and log into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon once you log in by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen here. Now here, as you can see, you'll get varieties of options here. You can see all your videos here and your private videos by going on this log icon, and then after it comes this icon that you can see here. You can see the post, you can see the collection, sounds and effects. Now simply what you want to do is tap on the collections option that you can see. I have 0 collections here, and here you'll be able to create a new collection with your favorite videos. However, remember that this option might not be available to everyone. This feature isn't fully rolled out for everyone. So here what you want to do is simply tap on create collection, and you can enter your collection name or your playlist name, and then you can either make it public or private by simply tapping on the button here that you can see the option here to enable or disable, and tap on next, and you'll be able to select videos from your watched videos or something like that. So this way you can make a playlist on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.